Kai, I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes. Wow. What is this? What is this? Wow. Let's open the first dress. Let's open the first dress. Wow. Flowers. What's the color of your dress? What's the color? Wow. Another one. Another one.
Wow.
Another one, babe.
Nice, babe.
Babe. Wow, flowers. Kani kayo. Flower na heart. Babe. Look at that. So pretty. Wow. Second. The third. Third. Yun, yun. Yun, your dress. Yun, your dress.
Pipi. Ano sa na yan, dress?
Another one. Another one. Surprise. Wow, it's a lemon. It's a lemon.
Wow.
Wow, yay.
Nice.
Nice, banana boy.
Ginahan kag lemon, no? So nice. Kalain po aning lamisa ba ni basa? Ah.
Lagi. Sharing sa
Wow.